Hi guys, Ken here from kbwebsitesolutions.com. This is step 4 of how to create your own website, installing WordPress. As I showed you in previous steps, go to sign in and click here on your customer portal. Go ahead and log in. Now there's a few ways to get to the WordPress install page. I use this here. Go to Launch cPanel. Now here in your cPanel, scroll down, find Software, WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click on it. Now here, go ahead and click Install. Then down here, choose your domain name you want to install WordPress on. Do not put anything in the directory here. You can either just click on Quick Install here, or you can go down and put your site name here. Whatever you want. You can change this stuff later on, any of it, or you can even do it later on if you wish. I'll show you how to do that in the settings of the next video, step 5. So if you want, you can go ahead and put in your site name and your site description, just something short that describes your site. Don't put anything in here. Over here, your admin username. Select something that's short and you can remember. I'll just put in my first name here. And your password, you can use this one they suggest here and they show the strength of it, or you can choose something else. Admin email. I create an email later on and I'll show you how to do that. I'll put info at my domain name. Choose your language here. Of course, I choose English. You can choose whatever you're looking to have your site in. You don't got to bother with plugins or advanced options or theme setting. They have a few selections here you can choose if you wish. You can do this later on and I'll show you how to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one for the hell of it. Okay, I'll select theme. Here's just image copyright. You change these images, so go ahead and click no and they won't put them images in there. They'll put placeholders instead. Right here, you can email your installation details to and put your email, whatever one you use most often. And you can go ahead and click on install. Now it says here it takes 3 or 4 minutes to do it. I won't put you through that in this video. I'll fast forward ahead. So now that it's finished installing, up here is your information. This is where you'll find your website. They will have emailed this information to you in the email you gave them. You can go to your admin area by clicking on this link right here. And just like that, you have WordPress installed on your domain name. This is where you add your content and that. I'll get into that in future videos. If you want to see what your blog looks like, of course this is before all your changes, you can either type in your domain name or you can just hit it here and this is what it looks like before you do any changes or add any content. Of course yours might not look exactly like this. It depends on what theme you have activated. So congratulations, you now have a website. Make sure you visit step 5 on how to create your own website. And that'll be on settings. If you haven't already got a domain name and hosting, go back to my previous videos. In steps 1 and 2, I show you how to do that and where to get it. Okay, see you in step 5. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell to be notified when I upload any more videos. It really does help me out.